it's your girl Hunchovb back with another video. I'm here trying to get over this bronchitis. So I wanted to share with you guys my new gadget. I got the Foodi digital air fryer oven. And I've been playing around with this thing and I really love it. I haven't tested baking any cookies or anything, so I want you to come and test it out with me. I'm not going to make the dough from scratch. I already have some store-bought good dough. We're going to put it in the Foodi air fryer oven. Now it came with, it came with a sheet pan, air fryer basket, crumb tray, and a rack. It holds like 9 slices of toast if you want to toast. It does air fry, air roast, bake, you know, all the good stuff. So, come on guys, let's get started. Here we go guys, this is the new Foodi digital air fryer oven. And I just love this thing. And one good thing about it is it doesn't take up my counter space. Okay, so you see it's on the counter now, but this is the one that flips up. Okay, see how it sits on my counter? So if I go over to it now, I can flip up. Voila! And I see I still have all of my counter space. Another good thing about this oven, once it cools, it will tell you on the readout flip. So it'll tell you when you can flip it up. Let's test this bad boy out on baking some cookies. Okay guys, this is the sheet pan that came with it. Like I said, I'm getting over bronchitis. So, you know, it's been a little bit since it's been a minute since I've put out a video. And I just didn't want to go too long without another video because I miss you guys. So, and I wanted to have an excuse to put something in my Foodi. So I got this, just this regular dough, chocolate chip. And I'm just going to spoon out a few tablespoons of chocolate chip dough onto the tray. I guess you could line it with parchment paper, but it's supposed to have a nice non-stick surface, so I don't see where we're going to need anything. Okay. And I could get a scoop, but I'm just going to put some dough out here. We're just doing a test anyway, not doing anything fancy. And I usually try to get my pieces uniform, but I don't intend to be on my feet too long doing these cookies. My grandson is over helping me out. He's always a good help to his mama. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on here, power, and see you have the option to air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, dehydrate, keep warm, toast, or bagel. Okay, so we're going to bake. So I take this, turn the knob to bake, then I will hit time. Going to go to 11 minutes. Temp, it's at 350. Oh, and by the way, this goes up to, I think it goes up to 450. Yeah, goes up to 450. So we are going to go to 350. Oop. 350. And start. Press the button to start. So it's going to preheat. By the way, it takes very little time to preheat. Do you hear anything? I don't either. It is very quiet. And when it air fries, it's not as loud as the other one, although the other one doesn't bother me with the, you know, at all. Look at the elements heating up. It'll be ready in no time, and you gotta be quick. I mean, actually at this point, you could really put your food in.
No, I knew what you were doing, but I just stopped.
I'm gonna go ahead and put the tray in. Okay guys, it's ready already. See? And it comes with a light. So you can actually click the light and check on your food. I love this thing. And when it's ready, right before it's ready, it automatically turns on the light, alerting you that your food, that the alarm is about to go off, letting you know that your food is ready. Okay guys, I'll be back in a few and I'll let you know the actual cook time for these cookies. Okay guys, look at these cookies. I think they look fantastic. Look at the nice even browning. It was a total cook time of 12 minutes. They were a little thick. They're still cooling. But look. Look. Ooh, look guys. Look at here. Ah. Look at there. Okay. Now I need a nice glass of milk. Look at that. Oh, nice and they're just right. This is just the way I wanted it. Didn't want it hard, didn't want it too soft, but just right. Oh, look at that. Whoa! Just dropped a piece. Okay, I'm gonna take a taste. Yeah. That's a good cookie there. I usually make my own, but in a pinch, this is the next best thing to making your own from scratch. Look at that. Oh, ooh, still a little warm. Ooh, this chocolate. Okay, guys. Look. Guys, this is so good.
Don't crack that. Don't crack any.
I didn't make many, but I can tell you, I'm not gonna stay on that plate long. I'm not gonna eat them all, but my little ones will, for sure.
Lava in a cave is usually a good sign, actually. Lava.
These are just right. Oh, I think next time I'm gonna use that dough. I have some fresh pecans. I'm gonna take some pecans, a pecan is smashed down into each cookie. Yeah. You gotta make it do what it do sometime, you know? Look guys, so I got this video out to you. I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas, but I want to take time out to say I love each and every one of you. I miss you guys, and that's why I told you I had to come back and get my video on. Anyway, got some new videos coming up soon. You got to come back with me, and we got to test this unit here on air. Merry Christmas. Be safe and be healthy. And until next time, Hunchovb VB is out. Peace. Love you guys. Come on. Let's say Merry Christmas, everyone. Come on.
Merry Christmas, everyone.